Today we're diving into Eddy AI, the latest AI software that has just been released. If you're looking for an AI tool that can revolutionize your workflow, stay tuned because we're going to go over 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know before jumping in. First off, let me tell you, you can try Eddy AI for completely free, and I've dropped the link to that in the description below, so don't miss that. Trust me, you'll want to test it out after you hear everything it can do. Now, let's jump right in. Eddy AI is designed to streamline and simplify tasks that would normally take hours of manual work. Whether you're managing a business, content creation, or even data analysis, Eddy promises to save you both time and energy, and let's be real, that's what we all want, right? But what makes Eddy stand out in this crowded AI landscape? I'll tell you. The first thing you should know is its advanced natural language processing, NLP. This is a major selling point. Eddy AI can understand, interpret, and even generate text in a way that feels almost human. Whether it's for customer support automation, creating blog content, or even answering questions, Eddy's NLP capabilities are incredibly accurate and context-aware. It's not just spitting out random responses, it tailors its answers, making it perfect for businesses that need quick and reliable communication. Secondly, Eddy AI offers an intuitive interface that's perfect for both beginners and advanced users. You don't need to be a tech genius to figure it out. From the moment you log in, you're guided through a user-friendly dashboard, which simplifies the entire experience. If you're a marketer or business owner, you'll appreciate how easy it is to access and navigate through the software. Another crucial thing you need to know is Eddy AI's ability to integrate with other platforms. Whether you're using CRMs, email marketing tools, or social media schedulers, Eddy easily integrates, so you're not left juggling multiple apps. This integration is key for streamlining your workflow and saving you from the chaos of jumping between platforms. Now, one thing that sets Eddy apart is its customization. Eddy isn't just a one-size-fits-all AI tool. You can customize the settings to match your needs, whether you're working on customer outreach, product recommendations, or content generation. You can train it based on your business's unique needs, which means you're getting a tool that truly adapts to you. If you're in the content creation space, Eddy AI excels at generating high-quality, SEO-friendly text. Whether it's for articles, product descriptions, or social media posts, you can rely on Eddy to produce content that's engaging and optimized for search engines. This can save a huge amount of time when it comes to maintaining your content strategy. Let's talk about its analytics. Eddy doesn't just complete tasks for you, it also helps you track your performance. It provides deep insights into the content it creates, showing you how well it's performing across different channels. This is a game changer for anyone who's trying to measure ROI on their content or campaigns. Knowing what works and what doesn't is key to optimizing your strategy, and Eddy makes that easy. Lastly, Eddy AI has impressive scalability. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or a large enterprise, Eddy can grow with you. As your needs expand, you can adjust the software's capabilities to handle more complex tasks without a hitch. This is perfect for businesses that anticipate scaling, as it ensures Eddy will be able to keep up with increased demand. So to sum up, Eddy AI is a versatile, easy-to-use, and powerful AI software that integrates well with other tools, helps generate high-quality content, and provides deep insights into your performance. And the best part? You can try it completely free through the link below. If you've been searching for AI software that truly delivers, I've tried thousands, and Eddy is definitely one of the best. But don't just take my word for it. Try it for yourself and see the difference. And if you're looking for even more AI tools, I've linked my top recommendations in the description. These are tools I trust after testing countless others, and I'm sure you'll find them just as valuable as I have.